Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Daigaku Imo, Japanese candied sweet potatoes. Daigaku Imo literally means college potato. The name comes from the fact that the dish was sold and popular among students in college areas in Tokyo in the early 1900s. Deep-fried and glazed sweet potatoes are scrumptious. No wonder college students loved it. These are the ingredients. Japanese sweet potatoes called satsumaimo are very sweet and dense and are suitable to make desserts. For more information and complete recipe, visit our website japanesecooking101.com. First, cut potatoes into 1.5 to 2 inches wedges. Put them in a bowl of water and soak for 5 minutes. Drain water and pat dry the potato pieces very well. Heat neutral flavor deep frying oil at medium heat. Drop the potato pieces and deep fry for 5 minutes. And remove from oil. Then turn to high heat. Put them back in the hot oil and cook for another minute longer to make them crispy until just turning in color. Remove from oil. In a frying pan, heat sugar, mirin, honey, and soy sauce at medium heat until slightly thickened. If you like a softer sugar coating, cook less, and if you like harder sugar, cook down more. Add the fried sweet potatoes in the sauce and cook for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring constantly, and coating with the sauce, which is further thickened but still fluid. Remove from the heat and spread the potatoes on a sheet lined with a silicone mat or oiled parchment paper so that they don't stick together. Sprinkle with black sesame seeds and cool for a few minutes and serve. Daigaku Imo is more a snack or dessert than a side dish in Japan, but we think this could be an interesting alternative to the usual sweet potato casseroles served in American holiday meals. It's sweet, crispy, and chewy. If you are thinking of making a sweet potato dish, give this a try. 美味しい。
美味しいね。